So you just gonna keep on looking at me and not say nothing.
We got London on the track.
What you looking at? What you looking at? Say something, baby.
Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful body wave lace front wig. It's from Wigs-Donmily hair. So I'm going to tell you all about this hair and this company. So stay tuned. Here's the packaging that the wig came in. They also give you a black wig cap. If you do wig installs, then you know you need to have a brown one. So black is not going to work for this wig, but it's cool. You got some of those in the back. Here's the hair straight out of the packaging. The curls look really good and the hair is really shiny, which I like. So it's not all dull and brittle. So this hair looks really bomb. I was really excited to install it because I've been wanting a body wig for a while. And this wig also came pre-plucked, as you can see. So it's really going to be easy to install, as well as the baby hairs. So not too much work. What I'm going to do is just bleach these knots, which I always do. And sometimes I actually cut out the combs too around the wig, especially since I do glue the wig down. But I want to show you guys how the frontal looks. It looks so good. And don't mind me, I'm getting into the music. That's why I always got to do the voiceover, because I got to have my music in the background. I'm telling you, when I have my music in the background, I always have a more flawless install. It's crazy. But I usually don't show you guys how I cut off the lace. It's easier to cut it off. Well, it may not be easier as far as just cutting the lace, but you make sure that you don't cut off too much lace if you cut it off while it's on your head. So I'm just showing you guys that process. For this wig, we're going to do a glueless install. We're just going to use some Got2b spray. It's so easy to use. The only thing I don't like about it is you can see the glue. Well, the spray always drips down on my forehead. It's probably me, but I always do that. So it's just really easy to clean up. If it dries and you get a little like mark on your forehead, just use some water on a little damp paper towel and it'll be really easy to take off. But that's another reason why I don't do my makeup before I do my wig installs, because you don't want to have excess glue getting mixed in with the makeup. It's not cute. Now it's time to get into these baby hairs. As you can see, they came pre-plucked, like I said. If you want to do some more customization or you're going to be wearing this wig every day, I would highly recommend just plucking it a little bit more. Just do another layer behind that layer of baby hairs. But as you can see, the baby hairs are a little bit long, so I'm just taking those out in the front and we're just going to cut those. You can use some scissors or you can use some little what are those little razors that you cut your baby hairs. I don't know, those work really good. It gives a natural look. Some people don't like the scissors, but you're not going to see the baby hairs. And I like to use the scissors because it's easier for me to cut them. I usually just cut them a little longer than what I normally would do, and then I just do another layer, just cutting them a little bit shorter. And as you can see here, I use a scarf to lay it down and I start my makeup. But I want to make sure that everything is just like flawless in place, so you have to use a scarf because it just really helps to melt the lace. But now it's time to style this hair. I am just going to use my hot comb. I always use a hot comb first just to make sure the wig is flat on the top, especially when I'm curling the hair, because you don't want to curl the hair and then still have a hump and then take out the curls when you use your flat, well, your hot comb. I'm about to say flat iron, no, your hot comb. So just make sure you use your hot comb first, and it helps to get those extra baby hairs out the way. And I'm just using a Revlon curling wand. Well, it's not a curling wand, it's a curling iron, excuse me. You should use a curling wand if you want tighter curls, but nice beachy waves. You just want to use a curling iron, and that's the look I'm going for today. I just love really flowy curls, especially throughout the day, because if the curls fall, then it doesn't really look crazy. It just kind of looks like everything is just kind of flowing together, if that makes sense. Now here I'm showing you guys, this is the hair curled all throughout the wig. I'm just gonna take my fingers and run my fingers through my hair. That just helps to make sure that the curls don't get combed out. But I'm just trying to fluff the hair a little bit so you get more volume. I decided that the volume wasn't looking like I wanted it, so I am actually going to show you guys how to get more volume in your wigs. You want to start off with taking some hairspray so you keep the curls in place, and you take your comb, and we're just going to tweeze the hair a little bit. You start off at the bottom and then move the comb upwards, and it looks crazy right now, but I'm going to show you. Like, all you gotta do is tweeze it a little bit, pull out some of those curls, and look, more volume like that. Last but not least, I'm going to take the shade of foundation I'm using and just place that in the parting space, and boom, skin like that. And then you also want to take some of that excess foundation and place it along the lace in the front. That just helps everything blend in, and I just dab off the excess foundation with my fingers. So in my hair now, I have a 13x4 parting space body wave lace front wig, and here's a close-up of this parting space. Looks really good. It came pre-plucked, so I actually didn't pluck this unit at all. That's like usually unheard of because I always customize my units, but this one came almost perfect, like straight out the box. And here are baby hairs. I just did a few swoops in the front. I really am feeling this hair. It's like super cute, so I would wear this on an everyday basis. It does not shed or tangle, which is great. If you want like a deeper parting space, make sure you get you a 13x6 parting space, but so far so good. Usually if I have like shorter parting space, I do like a side swoop or something like that, so it doesn't look less natural, if that makes sense. I don't know. It looks cuter like if you do something like that with a smaller parting space. If you want to do like middle part, I would highly recommend 13x6 parting space. So I just decided to put some beach curls in this hair, and it took the heat really well. I just used my Conair curling wand. I think it's like 1.5 inches wide. And then of course I use my hot comb. This is a must-have if you wear units on a regular basis, because it just makes sure everything just stays flawless and flat. So if you don't have one of these, invest in one. So Wigs-Donmily hair, I believe that's how you pronounce it. I never really heard of them, but they have great hair and I would highly recommend them. They're super affordable. I don't know the exact price yet because they sent me a link and it didn't work, but hopefully by the time I put out this video, I'll have the link and everything updated in the description box for you guys, okay? Now shipping was fairly fast, so you don't have to worry about that. I would say give it about a week. And what else can I say? Except it doesn't shed, doesn't tangle. Oh, the lace. The lace is super transparent, which I like. It's more like a light, I won't say light brown, like a medium brown. So if you're a little lighter, you might want a different color lace, or a little darker, it may not work for you. But as long as you're like medium skin tone, this is great, okay? So I want to thank Wigs-Donmily for sending me this hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. I slayed this. Tell me what you guys think in the description box below. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Bye.